today I'm going to be doing my makeup collection and skincare collection video. So I'm going to show you everything in my newish vanity. I got it like in January, like the beginning of the year. And now that all my stuff is organized, I'm going to show you guys. And I'm so excited. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And sorry if the quality is bad or anything, I don't know. But anyways, see ya. Okay, so first, I'm just going to show you what my room looks like right now. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but it's kind of messy right now. But first, this is like my deodorant, perfume, and lotion. And I have all my Bath and Body Works stuff in there. I'll show you. I have a lot of shit. And then this is my hair stuff. And this is just all like random stuff. So first, this is a vanity I got for Christmas / my birthday. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, so first, let's start off with this. This is what I have on my scrunchies. I got it from Pink a long time ago, and I thought it was perfect. This makeup organizer I saw in Marshalls, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. Because I love marble, and it was maybe like $10. Yes. Lipsticks, lip glosses, and my Q-tips. And then these are like my necessities. I have my mascara. I love mascara. These are my highlighters. These are my blushes. These are my foundation and concealers. And then this is my setting spray, primer. And then I just have some other stuff there too. So these are the cutest little Ipsy boxes I got. And I like to use them to store like all my moisturizers and skincare. So first, this bag I put all my little sunscreen samples I got, because since I'm on Accutane, I need to always have sunscreen on. And yeah, these are like all the samples and like, yeah. And oh shoot, that's it. And I also have a primer in there. This like acne patches I got from my Ipsy, and this is where I have like all my small like travel size stuff. I have this nice rose something serum, and this Belief, I think it's a night mask, sleeping mask, and this under eye cream I got from Sephora for my points. And same for this. This is a moisturizer from Sephora. And those are all my little things. And then this is a moisturizer too. And then this is also a lip mask. I just recently got from my Much Ipsy box. And I used it last night and it's really nice. And I don't have anything like lip masks before, and it was really good. Then this is my Tatcha moisturizer I got in my Ipsy. And I used it last night and it smells really good. It's purple. And this is one of my favorite moisturizers ever. It's Belief Aqua Bomb. And it smells so good. I love skincare, as you can tell. And then this is, I don't know how to say it, but it's a good moisturizer. I got it from Ulta. This one too, I got from Ulta. And the Kylie Skin Vitamin C Serum. I use this every day. It's my favorite. It also smells really good. And, oh god. And then in this box, I just have like all my ointments or like stuff that I have from on Accutane. This is for dry lips, and this is like if I have rashes. I have this rose quartz roller I got from Sephora, and this really changed my game. It's the best. It just feels so good on your face. It's good for like in the morning when my eyes are puffy, and I use this like twice a day. Yes, so, and I'm gonna show you my drawers. If you see me coughing, I don't have the coronavirus. I just have allergies. So yeah, don't worry. I got 2 mirrors here, and right here I have like my tweezers and my razors to my face. And then this is my brush set. I have a lot of sponges in there, and then this is my go-to one, Real Techniques. And then I have my fan to like set my face, like to dry the setting spray. And then this is the rest of my makeup. This is like where I have the other rest of my makeup. I have some eyeshadow palettes, and this is my favorite highlighter palette. And I've had this for a long time. Also this. Then I have some like little eyeshadow palettes and like other stuff I couldn't fit in there. And some glitter eyeshadow. Some like little eyeshadows I love. Like this one, I don't know how to open it. Scott, my Ipsy, I love it. And I have the e.l.f. Putty Primer. That is so good. And some primers. And then here I have some other primers. This is really good eyeshadow primer. Stella. These are my favorite. Other primers. And then I have eyebrow stuff. And a lot of eyeliners I don't really use. And then I'm an eyeshadow fanatic, and these are all my eyeshadow palettes. The Conspiracy palette. I love that one. Collections Formula Butter Collection, Casey Holmes. I got this from Christmas from Liana, and I love it so much. I still have yet to use the eyeshadow, but the perfume, I use it all the time. And I tried the bronzer, and I really like it. But yeah, I might do a review on it or something. And then I have my James Charles Morphe palette. Ew, I don't know why I still have this Too Faced palette. It smells really good. And then I have two Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes. Oh god, I don't know. One of them is purple, one of them is like the orange colors. And then this is a Sephora one. Cargo Cosmetics. Is it the Havana one, I think? I don't know. And then we have this BH Cosmetics palette. I think got it at Urban Outfitters. And then my Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Love this palette. And then this nude neutral eyes palette I got from my friend. And then that one. That is it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was all over the place, but yeah, see you soon. I might be filming a lot of videos because of the coronavirus. My school's been canceled for 2 weeks, so yeah, see ya.